guys, I will show you how to combine the measures all together in the same place in the pivot table. So if, for example, in this case, you have the three measures, right? And you can display in the same place, but then you can see that for this breakdown is okay, but if you want to break down by revenue and then by market later and then volume and then ASP later, you cannot do that. So it's the one way only, the breakdown first and then the measure later, not the other way around, which is the measure and then the breakdown. Okay, but actually in Power BI we can actually have the method to do that. I just need to use to make another master table, right? So in the modeling I just make a new table here and then I will change this into master. I will make this table dynamically by uh, the function data table with the three columns. The first column will be the full name of the table, uh, of the column. The second one will be the short name of the column, and then the first one, which is the sequence or the ranking. I will insert the values for this table. The first row will be revenue, and the short name will be ERV ref, and then number one. The second one would be the same thing, so I will make the row for volume. The short name will be vol, and then two, and the third one will be the ASP, which is the price. The short name will be the ASP, and number three. Okay, so we have three columns, three rows altogether. So this one will the one expression only, but then it will give me the table like this: revenue, volume, and if you don't want to mix the dynamic table, you can use the Excel to make this table, and you import in this view, which is the same thing. Okay, so this is the first step. The second step would be to write the master expression to combine all those things together. Okay, so I will write in here new measure, which is a master, and I will use this table, this master here. So switch selected value of the master short. Okay, so if the short form is the short value is ref, and then I will bind it to the revenue. Actually I want to make a dummy value 1 2 3 here first, and I show you how this thing work first. Okay, so I will make a pivot table by FY in the column, by market in the row, and then by master in the values in here. So because I just write the dummy values, so everything will be the same. I want to introduce the full name in before the FY in here. So if I expand this one, it look like this. And I will do another version of this thing, which is the full name will be upfront, and then it look like this. Okay, two of them. It's the same thing, but then it just I want to break the revenue down by the market, and then the price also the same thing, and the volume by also the same thing, right? Okay, so dummy values I will just make the 1 2 3 values in here as of now. I will change this one into into the actual value in a minute, but then what I want to do here is just to sort this one by revenue, volume, and then price first. You can see here you can see in the master table, there's a column called sec, which is short for sequencing, right? So you can sort this one by revenue and then volume and then price. If you want the other order, you can change this number 1 2 3 here. Okay, so now how to sort this one? I will click on the full name here and I will sort column by the sequence. Okay, so there you go. So you can see the revenue, volume, and then price, revenue, volume, and price. Okay, now I think the structure is okay already. I will go to the master here and then I will fix one by one. Okay, so I switch the selected value here by the master short. I want the short form of the name. I don't want revenue and price. I want the short because the short will be easier for me to write the expression. This one I will buy with the revenue. Okay. Other than that, I will make a dummy value again. 1 1 1. Maybe I will make 0. Okay, so there you go. So if this block is selected, and then I will bind this the revenue values in this block. Also and then you can see here, because the revenue is selected, so that's why this thing appear in here. Okay, so I will do the second round and then you will understand. If the short form is volume, and then I will bind this one with volume. So you can see the similarity right now, right? So this one will appear in here, and then this one, the values will also appear in here. Maybe I will copy the values from here to here, and then you can compare from this page to this, and then you can compare slide for line, right? So for example, like the revenue in here, which is the 177, this is its value, 454. Okay, hold on. I think this number, because of the rounding number here, so I need to expand the master into decimal place, 2 decimal places, otherwise it will not line for line to read. Okay. Okay, and then the next one is 609 Okay, so that's how it works. The last one I do the same thing. So if it come to ASP, I will buy it with ASP as well, and then there you go. So you have the last one, which is about 0.51, and then in total. Okay, so that's how you combine all the measure, in this case 3 of them: revenue, volume, and then ASP together. Other than those, I will display 0. So therefore in the total you can see 0. In the total here you will see 0. Actually I don't want 0, I want blank. So blank, because 0 is still a little bit like distracting, so I don't want. I just want. Okay, so done already. I think I can remove the columns total in here because they don't make sense to me at all. So how about I go to total here and then remove the total. Therefore, the column will be a little bit better to me. Yeah, and that's it. Okay, so now you can have the revenue in here already, and then you have the volume in here, and then you have the price in here, and then they can break down in any order you want. So previously, for this structure, there's only way, which is to break down by the market or by any category first, and then you display the measure for the category. In this structure, you can display anything in any order you want. Okay, let me show you what I mean by any order I want. I just swap this full in here, and then I expand the thing. Expand sorry, this one will be the row. Okay, custom fy, and then there you go. So you have the line for line for this one, but then if you switch this one around a little bit, and then you break down again, and then you can see the other view already. Okay, so that's this guy. So 2 points here. The first one is just the master table. Here you have to create a master table in order to contain the account or the measures name in here. And then the second one is like you need to uh, write the master measure to combine all the other measure together using the master table.